everyone, welcome back, or just welcome. I just received an email from ElevenLabs saying that starting on May 23rd at 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. London, you can figure out the rest from there. They partner with 14 other amazing AI companies for what they are calling the AI Creator Pack, which is a list of exclusive discounts for all 15 of these companies. Because this was ElevenLabs doing, I will let their great voices do the talking about each of these great companies with the exclusive promotions, starting with, of course, ElevenLabs.
Revolutionize audio with ElevenLabs' AI voice platform. Generate hyper-realistic, customizable voices in over 32 languages for videos, audiobooks, or games. With lifelike emotion and seamless integration, ElevenLabs empowers creators and businesses to deliver captivating audio experiences that resonate with any audience.
Streamline your work with Notion's AI-powered workspace. Organize notes, tasks, and projects in one flexible platform. Notion AI automates summaries, generates ideas, and enhances team collaboration, saving time and boosting productivity for creators, teams, and businesses alike.
Transform visuals with Magnific's AI image enhancement. Upscale, refine, and stylize photos with stunning detail in seconds. Perfect for photographers, designers, and creators, Magnific delivers professional-grade results effortlessly, making your images pop with unparalleled clarity and creativity.
Create engaging videos with HeyGen's AI platform. Build personalized avatars and realistic voiceovers without editing skills. Ideal for marketers, educators, and businesses. HeyGen streamlines video production, delivering polished, professional content that captivates audiences and elevates your brand.
Unleash your vision with Pika's AI video creation. Turn text or images into cinematic videos with ease. Perfect for storytellers, marketers, and creators, Pika's intuitive tools deliver high-quality visuals fast, empowering anyone to craft stunning videos without complex editing.
Fuel creativity with Freepik's AI-enhanced design platform. Access millions of images, vectors, and templates with AI tools for instant customization. Ideal for designers and marketers, Freepik simplifies workflows, delivering professional visuals that make your project stand out effortlessly.
Create the impossible with Luma AI's 3D and video generation. Transform text or images into photorealistic models and dynamic videos in minutes. Perfect for filmmakers, game developers, and creators, Luma AI unlocks boundless creative potential with cutting-edge technology.
Design smarter with Flora's AI-powered creative tools. Generate tailored visuals and layouts for your brand in seconds. Ideal for marketers and designers, Flora simplifies complex design tasks, delivering professional, eye-catching results that engage and convert effortlessly.
Edit videos effortlessly with Veed.io's AI-powered platform. Create, subtitle, and enhance content with tools like Magic Cut and AI avatars. Perfect for creators and businesses. Veed streamlines video production, delivering polished results ready for social media or presentations.
Build stunning websites with Framer's AI-driven design platform. Create responsive, interactive sites without coding. Ideal for designers and entrepreneurs. Framer's AI optimizes layouts and enhances user experiences, delivering professional websites that captivate and impress.
Tell stories with Higgsfield's AI video platform. Transform ideas into fully produced videos with lifelike avatars and audio. Perfect for creators and brands, Higgsfield simplifies production, delivering high-quality, engaging content that brings your vision to life effortlessly.
Build apps faster with Lovable's AI-powered coding platform. Generate clean, functional code from simple prompts, streamlining development. Ideal for startups and developers, Lovable accelerates innovation, letting you focus on creating game-changing apps with ease.
Transform meetings with Granola.ai's AI-powered note-taking. Capture, transcribe, and analyze discussions with intelligent insights. Perfect for professionals and teams, Granola organizes chaotic notes into actionable plans, boosting productivity and keeping you focused.
Create dynamic videos with Hedra's AI Studio. Generate expressive characters and lifelike audio from text or images. Ideal for filmmakers and marketers, Hedra's innovative tools deliver professional, engaging content that brings your stories to life with ease.
Animate with ease using Viggle's AI-powered video platform. Control character movements and create dynamic 3D videos from text or images. Perfect for creators and brands, Viggle simplifies motion design, delivering captivating professional visuals that stand out.
And that's all 15 companies that are offering promotions. If you're interested in taking advantage of any of these offers, I highly recommend doing that as soon as possible, as some are limited and they all won't last forever. All links to the apps and the promo codes will be added to the description below as soon as possible. Hopefully this works out well for at least a couple of you watching my channel. In the meantime, please do the usual. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, share it with a friend, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.